Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MatePad 11. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. At the beginning, enter settings. Now tap on biometrics and password. And let's begin with change lock screen password. Tap on change lock method. And here we've got all our lock screen method. At the beginning we've got 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern and password. Let's select 4-digit PIN. Now custom PIN. Pattern. Password. And the last one, 6-digit PIN. Now we can set face recognition. Select it to unlock device and scan your face. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.